Hey, it's Jane here from our recipe tree, and today we're making horseradish sauce. I don't think it's horseradish sauce, it's just horseradish, prepared horseradish. That's what we're making. So you might wonder why I'm wearing a jacket. It's a little brisk outside, but evidently this stuff is like toxic. It's so strong. It burns your eyes. So you gotta have a fan and open your windows. FYI. So I'm gonna start by putting some horseradish in. That was like roughly 3 cups, I would say, in that pound. I'm gonna add, they said, a splash of water. And then I'm gonna start this sucker moving. Okay, here's what it looks like. So I added like 2 cups of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. So I'm just cleaning it up right now. Let's just see what it looks like. Here, I do not want to get too close to this mixture. Got the fan on, got it blowing, don't want to get my eyes. So, like, it looks pretty good. So once that simmers down, I'm gonna have a little taste. We're having some leftover prime rib tonight. So I will get back to you with Jake the taste tester, and we will let you know how this is. Okay, so we have our homemade horseradish.
I can smell it.
It could be strong because it's been in the ground for like 3 years. There were some pretty big roots. That's a lot. Oh. How is, what's the heat level? You took a lot.
Pretty good.
It's pretty hot.
It's good.
Just good, like extra hot from the grocery store kind of good. Mm-hmm. Okay, there you have it. So I just gave the horseradish a taste, and I would put it at a medium heat, medium to hot. Delicious, better than the grocery store. It's got a nice bite, a little sweetness. Yeah, lots of tang. Very delicious. Medium heat.